Okay, students, we have done some isomerism. Okay, in this isomerism lecture, also I told you it is very easy to learn. Mainly, the application part approach of the question is very important. Okay, for that, I have selected only 7 questions which are very difficult. But if you are knowing the approach, then they are going to be very easy. So, let's do the questions, each and every question with the proper approach. Okay, these questions are selected such a way that approach can be explained properly. You can do it from the books, but books you will only understand answer. Okay, but what is the how this answer came, that detailed explanation you will not get. So that's why this lecture is going to be very important. Okay, so first of all, let us see the question, and you yourself can also try. If not possible, then you can cross check with my explanation. So first of all, these questions are given. You can pause the video, try yourself, then cross check with my explanation. Okay, so let us see. If you wanted, you can pause and you can check. Okay, now I'm started explaining. So the number of aromatic isomers possible for C7H8O. Okay, so aromatic means one benzene ring is must. One benzene ring is must. So C6H6. Okay. So but if I substitute it, then it will be becoming as a C6H5. Okay. If it is one place, it is substituted C6H5, and if it is substituted at two places, it will be C6H4. Okay. What it is going to be? C6H4. Once it is by substituted, then formula of the benzene ring is going to be C6H4. If it is mono substituted, formula is going to be C6H5. No substitution, then C6H6. Okay. So first of all, let us take C6H4, two substitution. Okay. So there are, this is the benzene ring with two substitutions. Okay. So isomers, he told you can make it how many substitutes? One. Okay, this approach is very simple, but provided you should know the process. Okay, so this much type of explanation you will not get in the books. Okay, so now if I we got what C7H8O. Okay, from that if I substituting at the two places C6H4. So what will be left over? One carbon will be left over and four hydrogen will be left over, one oxygen will be left over. So what I will do, I will write CH3 here, okay, and OH here. So see, one carbon, four hydrogen. That means this type of isomer will be how many? Three isomers. How many will be there? Three isomer. Is that is sufficient? No. Okay. So there is one more chance of C6H5 also. So once I write C6H5, okay, fourth isomer I am writing it here. Once I write with C6H5, that means only one substitute is there. Okay. So then what I will subtract C6H5. That time it will be CH3. So the another substitute will be OCH3. That means it is ether. Okay. Otherwise, you can mix up this with the methyl group. Then then another product will be this one, CH2OH. Okay. So how many products we are getting? How many isomers we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can think, is there any possibility? And maximum isomer we already got. So answer to this question is 5. How to approach isomerism question, is that clear? Do you feel that with definition will you be able to solve these questions? No. Okay. So that's why video lectures are very important with clear approach. Okay. So now you will have confidence to solve all questions related to them. Okay. So note down this, then we will solve the next question. Next question also you can try. If not, then you can see my explanation. Okay. So the number of isomeric amines possible with C3H9N. Okay. So here nitrogen. So amine does not mean that it will be NH2 only. NH2 is also amine, but not only NH2. Okay. So it can be possible NH, it can be possible N also. Okay. So in NH2, how many carbons are left over and how many hydrogens are left over? Three carbons. How many carbons? Three carbons. Okay. Out of nine hydrogens, we have used the two hydrogens. So two, two, and three. So total seven. Okay. So this is one possibility. And here one more possibility is that I will bring it here. Okay. So then what it will happen, this hydrogen will move this side. So this will be CH3, CH, CH3 and NH2. So primary amines are how many possible? Two primary amines are possible, 1 and 2. Okay. Next, let us see the secondary amine. Secondary amine are very simple. One side CH3, another side CH2, CH3. Okay. So this is the second amine possible. Then next it will be CH3, CH3 and CH3. So how many are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think any more structures are possible. Okay. Do you feel that? No. So answer will be what? 4. Therefore, A option is correct. In the first question, fourth option is correct. In the second question, first option is correct. Okay. So let us see the next questions. So like this, I have selected the questions which are very useful. So don't forget to watch till the last because wonderful questions are about to come with proper explanation. That is main thing. Okay. Wonderful questions you may get anywhere, but that proper explanation and approach is very important. So among the following pair that is not a pair of metamers. Okay. So metamers means there should be polyfunctional group on the either side of the polyfunctional group. The group alkyl group must opposite side must be different. Okay. So here this is uh, methyl group and ethyl group. Okay. So this is following. Then methyl propyl. Here methyl isopropyl. Here methyl and propyl. Here methyl and ethyl. See that here they are not at all isomers because here three carbon and one carbon. Four carbons are there. But here one carbon and two carbon, three carbons are there. So they are not isomers at all because the basic condition of isomerism is that they should have the same molecular formula. Once they don't have same molecular formula, how we can say they are isomers? Okay. So this is the answer. You can't think of the metamers. They are not at all isomers also because they don't have the same molecular formula. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Okay, this is my favorite question, which comes favorite question. Okay, so type of isomerism exhibited existing between these two. These are the two isomers. So nowadays they will give the isomer type of isomerism. So normally people will feel that it is on the first carbon, it is on the second carbon, therefore it is position isomerism. Okay, no, it is not position isomerism. How it is not and with judgment, proper justification I will tell you. So it is total carbons are there here, but 4 carbon, so AN and it is nitrile, butane nitrile. Okay, but here you have to take, sorry, you have to take this as a main chain. What you have to take? You have to take this as a main chain. Take this as a main chain. Okay. Now it will be 2-methyl. It will be 2-methyl propane. Okay. So here what is difference? Word root is different. Prop and but. Prop and but. So word root is different, then it will be called as a chain isomer. That what I clearly explained in the isomerism video explanation also. If you are not gone through within 40 minutes, you can completely revise with the absolute tricks of the isomers. Okay, so this is about the isomerism between. Okay, if you are given this type of question, now you got confidence. Okay, and have you given the like till now? If you are not given, it is very bad. Give it now itself. Okay, given like and share it to your best three friends. Share it to your best three friends who are not aware of this channel. Okay, good. Okay, now let's see the next question. Which of the following classes of organic compound show metamerism? So this question is all about your patience. Okay, some questions will check your patience, some questions will check your knowledge, some questions will check your observation. People will start thinking when metamerism means either side they will compare, but that was observation that number of carbon also must be same. Previous question. Okay, so you have to go through the first of all, people are very worried about the time in the exam. As soon as they get ether, yes, metamer, they will start tick. You should compare with all, even though it is single correct question, but still you have to be patient enough. Okay. When this question came, all take the ethers and came home thinking that my all answers are correct. No. Ethers also metamers, secondary amines also shows metamers, ketone also shows the metamers. So answer is what? All the three. Okay, so sometimes you have to wait for your turn. So read all options carefully. This is the lesson we learned from this question. Okay, so like that, strategically I have selected the question. Not only it will give you the questions, but also it will give you the clear approach and the mistake made by the others. Okay, now let us see the next question. Okay, so total number of benzene derivative with molecular formula C6H3Cl3. Okay, so people are writing extra in this question. When this question came, people are writing extra answers. Okay, so this is one type of isomer. Okay, then this is another type of isomer. And this is another type of isomer. Only three isomers are possible. If you write any other isomer, I think their name will be something like this only. Okay. So how to check which are two different, which are two same? Okay. So it will be 1, 2, 3 trichloro benzene. Here it will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 3, 5 trichloro. Here it will be 1, 2, 4. So you write any other structures, you will get this numbers only. So name will be automatically same. Okay. So the answer to this question will be 3, I think. If you got any other answer, you can say me in the comment section. Okay. So try to write good comments so that other people also should come to know what is your feeling after going through this video lectures. Okay. And don't hesitate to put these type of videos in your Facebook friends list or Facebook group or WhatsApp group or Telegram groups so that unintentionally you are helping to somebody. Okay. So let us see the next question. So if you got any doubts, if you got any doubt, all 7 up questions are over. Okay. So these 7 questions are completely different. Each question is different from each other. If you got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Hope you all will do well in your examination. Come out with the successful smile with the largest marks possible. Okay. Bye bye. See you.